Hello. In the previous Kubernetes tutorial, we created a pod. Here, I'm going to show you some of the useful commands that you could use when working with the pod that we just created. The most simplest of the commands would be the one that you could use to get the pods that you created. In that case, you can use kubectl get pods. With this command, you can see any pod that you created. Here we've got only one pod which is running, which was created about 43 hours ago. Sometimes you want to gather more information about this very pod. For example, you want to get all the pod that you have in the current namespace. To do that, what you need to add here is you add a -o, then wide. With this flag, you are going to get additional information about the pod. Here you can see the IP address of the pod, you can see the node, and you can see other additional information regarding the pod. Sometimes you want to gather information from all the pod that you have, irrespective of the namespace. That means to list all the pods that are in all the namespaces. To do that, the command is actually very similar. Instead, what you need to do is the flag will be -a. When you use this flag, you are going to see all the pods that you got, no matter what namespace that the pod is in. Also, the last two commands that we used, you could actually, or should I say the three commands that we used, you could actually use them all together at once. For example, you can have also the flag -o, then wide. So now we combined all those flags together. Now it gives you all the details about the pods that you got. So these are some of the commands that I wanted to show you in this very second tutorial. So if you wanted to see more about the other commands that you could use, watch the next video and we are going to see them. So I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel?